Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the original file and a reliable copy. This preserves evidence, so do it now. Then extract basic metadata, creation date, device info, GPS if present, because those details often confirm timing and location. Next, generate a transcript and timestamp notes of key claims. This gives you searchable text. Once done, open a reverse image search and a metadata reader and prepare to cross-check names, places, and visual cues against independent sources. Now dig into the evidence. Take frame grabs of distinctive frames and run reverse image searches to find earlier uses or original contexts. At the same time, examine metadata for EXIF fields, codec changes, and inconsistent timestamps. These reveal editing or repurposing. For spoken claims, match transcript quotes to primary documents, official statements, or on-the-record footage, because corroboration reduces false positives. Make sure to record every match or mismatch, and flag finish by synthesizing your results. Label each claim confirmed, disputed, or unverified, and explain why. Present key screenshots, metadata excerpts, and the timeline that led you there. Transparency makes your conclusion trustworthy. If you hit a dead end, for example, metadata stripped or frame matches ambiguous, escalate. Ask the uploader for originals, consult a forensic analyst, or contact subject matter experts. One troubleshooting tip. When metadata is missing, rely more on corroborating context and independent eyewitness or documentary sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.